Ball game. Ball game.
Ball game.
First position of
First
Lupang Hamog.
position to Emirates. Dito ba?
King.
Tabosi. No good.
Rebounds Pilawa. Rebounds Pilawa. Emirates ball.
Bola, Emirates ball.
Bounding Tamos.
Inbounding Camus to Angelo.
Back to Angelo.
Angelo back to Camus. Camus for three. No good.
Babay Lara.
Big rebound Belara. But there's a whistle. Bola po ng Trupang Hamog.
Pilawa.
Skalwa.
Basta boses mo. Back to Pilawa.
Skalwa. No good. A big rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi pass break to Camus. Camus for three. Shot. Air ball. Bola ng Trupang Hamog. At score still 0.
Time.
Our time 8 and 50. Yes for 3.
Oh, it's Pilawa.
Is
Pilawa.
Pilua for 3.
Dito na.
Yes, intercepted by number 8. Raso tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Yes for 2.
Oo. Score now. 5-0.
Score now 5 against 0.
Dad.
Natividad. No good. Rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi now dribbling the ball, harassed by Raso. Kabusi short. Rebound. Yes for 2. Kabusi.
8 minutes, 12 seconds.
8 minutes, 10 seconds. Our score 2 against 5 in favor of Trupang Hamog.
Steal.
Steal by number 14.
Javier.
Javier. Another steal by number 16. No good.
Save more.
Still same ball. Trupang Hamog.
7 minutes 50.
Our time 7 minutes and 50.
Rep. 2-5-2 our score.
Our score 2 against 5.
Dad.
Russell. Long 2, yes for 2. Score 7 against 2 in favor of Trupang Hamog. Camus now dribbling the ball. Almost intercepted by number 10. Pass to Kabusi. Kabusi harassed by number 10. Kabusi tuloy-tuloy sa basket. But there's a whistle. Post foul, rep.
Teoros.
Number 14.
Follow jog. Ay, karatel. Relax. First on jog.
First to Jack. First team foul of Trupang Hamog.
7-2.
First through by Kabusi, short. Second through. Pass to Raso.
Oh, wala kayo. Spiloa.
Pass to Spilwa. Spilwa now may dala ng bola. Back to Bautista. Bautista back to
Tibidad.
Natividad.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi now may dala ng bola. Kabusi now step on. Yes. For 2 on Kabusi. Our score 7 against 4.
Spiloa.
Spilwa, no good. Big rebound by Kabusi. A long pass to Camus but intercepted by Natividad. Same ball.
6 minutes.
Trupang Hamog. 6 minutes and 30.
7-4 our score.
Our score 7 against 4 in favor of Trupang Hamog. Natividad. Pass to Jag. Jag. Yes for 2, Jag. Score 9 against 8. 4, sorry.
Pagka na lang score, 9-4 lang ano. Tamos, to Lara.
To Lara. Lara now. Lara may dala ng bola.
14 to shoot.
Back to Camus. 14 to shoot. Kabusi. Kabusi in the rainbow. Short.
Spiloa.
Back to Spilwa. Spilwa tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Pass to Natividad. There's a whistle turnover by Natividad.
Dito sir, hindi ka sir. Time out sila. Oh, dito kayo. Lapit
Tapos
kayo.
now dribbling the ball.
Time out. Time out.
Long pass.
Time out.
Our first quarter.
Tropang hamog ball.
Trupang hamog ball. Inbound by Spilua.
Oras.
Back to Spilua. Spilua na may dala ng bola. Umira ng tres. No good. Big rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi now. Kabusi now tuloy-tuloy sa basket. There's a whistle. Number 14.
Dalawa.
Spilua. Second team foul. Trupang hamog.
Pangilang ito dalawa.
First.
Wala.
First throw Kabusi. Yes.
Pangilang tropang hamog team. Agis dalawa.
Pangilang.
First, second.
First personal foul in Spilua.
Second team foul.
Second team foul in Trupang hamog. Yes for 2. Approve. 6 against 9.
Wala ka. Bukus. Wag ka tumingin doon. Tinitrade ko kayo para
Spilua. Turaso.
jag.
Jump for 3. No good. Short. Pass to Camos. Camos now. Camos. Pass to 14. No good. Rebound in number 16.
Javier nga. Tapos,
Bautista.
Tapos
Pass to Spilua.
Drive.
Drive. Yes for 2.
Ano si Palawa? Pati yung pangalan.
Yes for 2 for Spilua. 11 against 6.
4 minutes 40.
4 minutes and 40.
Same ball.
Same ball.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Clara.
Lara. No good. Rebound in number.
Spillowa.
Spilua.
Balik tayo.
Spilua. Jag.
Jag.
Jag for 2. Yes on Jag.
13.
Score 13
I like tanggalin mo ang
against
score.
6.
30 to 6 lang.
Camus now dribbling the ball.
7-point lead by
7-point lead by Tropang hamog.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Javier.
Javier. To Camus. For 3. No good. Natividad. Natividad. Pass to. Yes for 2. On Razo.
Clara.
Lara. Lara daw may dala ng bola. Lara. Pass to Kabusi. Undernet. Yes for 2. Kabusi. 15-8.
3 minutes 30.
3 minutes and 30 for the second quarter.
Second quarter na?
So,
Ha?
oh,
First pa lang.
first pa lang, sorry para.
14 to shoot.
Raso, 14 to shoot. Raso, long 2. No good. Rebound by Spilua.
Kabusi.
Kabusi. Long pass to Camus. Camus now. Pass to. No good. Rebound on Spilua.
Tanggalin mo yung no good mo ha.
Spilua.
Turnover.
Same ball, turnover.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. 15-8.
7-point lead by Tropang Hamog.
7-point lead by Tropang hamog.
Steal by Bautista.
Still by Bautista. Bautista now.
Paso.
Pass to Raso. Raso, yes for 2. Lara. Lara now dribbling the ball. Lara, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. But there's a whistle. Foul, Jag.
Jug second personal.
Jag, second personal foul. Third team foul on Trupang hamog.
2 minutes 30.
2 minutes and 30. Lara is awarded for 2 charity through. First through. Yes.
9 to 17.
9-17. Big rebound in Spilwa. Spilwa, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Come on, rebound by Kabusi. Kabusi now. Pass to number Javier. Yes for 2 Javier. Natividad. Natividad now. Tuloy-tuloy, but there's a whistle. 24. Foul number 24. First team foul on Emirates. Score 11-17. Yes for Natividad.
Lara, first personal foul.
Lara, first personal foul. Second through, jumper ready. Big rebound on Javier.
Oras.
Kabusi now dribbling the ball, harassed by Raso. Kabusi still dribbling the ball. Pass to Camus. In the rainbow. No good. Rebound by Raso. Raso now long pass to Natividad. Back to Raso. Raso now to Espilua. Yes for two on Bautista.
Ibad, nagtibidad.
Sorry, Natividad.
1 minute 47.
1 minute 47. Camus. Pass to Kabusi. Kabusi now, yes! What a shot by Kabusi. 13-20. 7-point lead on Trupang Hamog.
1 minute 20 seconds.
1 minute and 20 seconds in our first quarter. Bautista.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Long to by Bautista. No good. Rebounded Kabusi. Kabusi now. Pass to, yes, but there's a turnover. Time out! Trupang Hamog!
Score.
Score 13 against 20 in favor of Trupang Hamog.
Oras walang patay.
Inbound by Trupang Hamog to Raso.
1 minute.
1 minute. Raso now.
Bautista.
Pass to Bautista.
Steal.
A steal by Camus. Pass steal again by Bautista. Bautista no. Yes, from two for Natividad.
49 seconds.
49 seconds. 45. Kabusi tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Yes! Nice pass to Natividad. Back to yes on Bautista.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Camus.
Score.
Score 24-15. Kabusi now. Kabusi harassed by number Raso. Kabusi pass to Javier. Javier for 3.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Turnover. Emirates ball. Lara. Lara to Camus. 9.
9, 5,
Steal.
5.
5.
3 seconds. 3.
3 seconds remaining. 3 seconds.
Pito mo. Hit. And ano yung quarter?
End of the.
Lima lang
Oras
siya.
wala patay na.
Raso inbounding to Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Espilua. Back to Bautista. Bautista.
14 to shoot.
Pass to Jack. Big rebound by Kako. Intercepted.
Huwag na patay na. Sabi ko na patay.
Turnover. Same ball. Emirates ball. Inbounding now by Simbaco. Simbaco. Pass to Diaz. And there's a whistle.
Huwag mo na patay. Sabi ko. Oo.
Raso, first personal foul. First team foul.
First team foul on Trupang Hamog.
14 to shoot.
40 to shoot. Kako.
Foul number 10.
Number 10.
Anong number 10? Foul. Sabihin mo.
Foul number 10.
Bautista. Second team foul. Pro Pangamog.
Second team foul on Trupang Hamog.
Pangilang Bautista. Step in the line.
Stepping on the line.
Kailan ang Bautista?
First nga.
Sabihin mo sa kanila.
Sabi ko nga.
8 minutes.
First to Bautista.
8 minutes 35 seconds.
8 minutes. 30 seconds.
Focus tayo, focus. Mawawala kayo eh. Kanya lang pa, di pa 40 seconds na. Pwede ka magbantay-bantay.
Raso.
Panalo.
Pass to Espiliado for 3. No good. Rebound and Natividad. Yes.
Natividad. Lagyan mo ta.
Natividad, 2 points. 26-15.
Kako to.
Simbaco. Simbaco now to Diaz. Diaz. Back to Simbaco. And there's a turnover. 14 to shoot. Same ball. Emirates. Simbaco now to Diaz. Diaz for 3. No good. Simbaco, big rebound. Pass to Baco. There's a whistle. Stepping on the line. Score 26-15.
11-point lead.
11-point lead on Trupang Hamok.
7 minutes 30.
7 minutes and 30. In the second quarter. Back to Razo.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Razo. Haras. To Espilua.
10.
Spell 10.
8 seconds to shoot.
8 seconds to shoot.
Five.
5.
Shot clock, shot clock. Rebound Kako.
Rebound ng Kako. Kako now. Pass to Simbaco. Whistle. Foul on Espilua.
The second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Espilua. Third team foul on Trupang Hamok. Simbaco now inbound. Diaz. No good. Big rebound. On Natividad. Jab to Natividad. Natividad, yes on to Natividad. Malahos for 3. No good. Big rebound on Kako. There's a block. Malahos for 3. No good. Big rebound on
Ano no good? Ayaw lang sabihin no good.
Natividad. Natividad now.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot, you know. 5 minutes 50 seconds.
5 minutes 50 seconds. Raso.
10.
10.
5.
5. Yes.
Jag.
On jab.
30-15.
30-15. 15 point lead.
Razo.
Foul on Raso.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Tropang Hamog.
Razo second
Foul number
personal
16.
Raso. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. In a second quarter.
14 shot clock.
And a John.
14 second shot clock. Jab to Bautista. Yes, on Bautista.
Yes.
Diaz.
Diaz. Yes.
17.
For 2 there. 17 against 32.
4 minutes 40 seconds.
4 minutes 40 seconds. Second quarter.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Lock.
There's a block. Big rebound on Diaz.
Kako.
To Kako. No good. Simbaco big rebound. Yes. Two back for Simbaco. 1932. Long pass to Espiliago.
Below.
There's a whistle.
Foul on Raid.
Simbago first.
Foul number 8. First on Simbaco. First team foul, Emirates. Espilua is awarded for 2 charity through. First through. No good.
Pabigyan ng bola. Time.
Second through, jump already. Miss rebound. No good again. Rebound na Natividad. Natividad.
14 to shoot.
Pass to jump. And there's the whistle. Foul number 8.
Simbaco.
Simbako. Second personal foul on Simbako. Second team foul on Emirates. Jag now again is awarded for 2 charity throw. First throw. Yes. 33 against 19. 3:57 in the second quarter. Yes again. 34 against 19. Kaku. Kaku now in the rainbow. No good rebound in Malahos. Malahos. Pass to Simbako. Rebound again by Simbako. No good. Nice pass to Natividad, Patterson. Yes. For 2.
Basket count and 1.
Basket count.
And 1.
Sino nakapound?
Foul in Malahos.
13 foul Emirates.
Third team foul in Emirates.
First in Malajos.
First in Malajos.
Time oras. Score.
Score 1936.
Favor.
In favor of Trupang Hamog. 19 against 37.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Second quarter.
Malajos.
Malajos for 3. Short. Rebound on Natividad. Raso now to Espilua. Espilua long pass to Bautista, pass to Natividad. No good. Rebound on Natividad. Subiza. First team foul on Hermoso. 4 team fouls on Emirates. 1 for penalty.
2 minutes 49 seconds.
2 minutes 49. Natividad is awarded for 2 charity through. First through, no good.
Oras.
2 minutes 49. Last through. No good again. There's an early entry violation. Yes.
38.
38-19.
2 minutes 20.
2 minutes 20 in the second quarter. Diaz now. Diaz pass to Malahos. Alajos. Intercepted by Jag. Jag now dribbling the ball. 2 minutes. Intercepted again. Back to Bautista. Yes, Bautista. 1:59.
Time out.
Timeout! Emirates! 42 against. Inbound by Hermoso. A long pass now to Simbako. Simbako to Diaz. Yes on Diaz. 21-42. Now Natividad. Long pass to Jack. Jack now. Back to Spilua. Spilua. To Jack. Turnover. Control Panghabog. 1 minute and 30.
42-21 favor of
42-21 favor of True Panghabog. 21-point lead by True Panghabog.
Hermoso.
Hermoso now. Pass to Malajos. Malajos now thinking for 3. Pass to Kako.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Back to Hermoso.
10.
10. Kako. No good. Big rebound on Kako. Yes for 2 on Kako.
20 score.
Score 23-42.
Oh, follow Jag. Jag.
Jag, third personal foul.
Jab, third personal foul. True Panghabog is penalty situation. Big rebound again by Kako. Kako. And Diaz. Turnover on
50
Emirates.
seconds.
50 seconds. Spiligo.
Loa.
Now to Raso. Spilwa, sorry. Turnover. Emirates. The same goal.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Violations on Trupang Hamog. Back return, ball return back to the backer. 30 seconds. Taku. Turnover again.
24 seconds.
24 seconds. Raso. Spelwa. To Natividad. Fakes.
15.
15. Tapo na intercepted. 10 seconds. No good. Malajos. Yes on Malajos.
Pito. Number third quarter, second quarter.
Tabusi inbound. Sulak Figuera. Yes on Sulak Figuera.
42.
32 against 42. 10-point lead on Trupang Hamog. Ramos. Ramos to Bautista. Bautista now. Bautista. Pinasa kay Natividad sa ilalim. Yes for 2. Tapusin now. To La Figuera. La Figuera now may dala na bola. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. To Ricanon. Back to La Figuera. La Figuera now to Cabuse. Cabuse sa ilalim. A big rebound again by Cabuse. Yes for 2. 34-44.
Kumunti ang oras.
Ramos. Ramos now to Bautista. Bautista haras by La Figuera. Back again to Ramos.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Ramos. Back to Bautista. To Espilua. 10 to shoot. Natividad.
Traveling violation.
Traveling violations. Turnover by Tropang Hamog. Emirates ball. Now La Figuera. La Figuera now. Blocked by Bautista. Ramos now long post to Natividad. No good. Big rebound on Ricanon. To La Figuera. Now Cabusi. Sa Wizard. Foul on number 14.
Spelo.
Espilua,
Ayun lang, Espilua.
third personal foul.
Third.
Spelua, third personal foul. First team foul on Tropang Hamog. 34-44. Ricanon still by Ramos. Long pass to Bautista. Tuloy-tuloy. Same ball. Tropang Hamog.
5 minutes tayo, sir. 5 minutes sub.
8 minutes. Spilwa. A big rebound. On Cabusi. Cabusi na nagmamadali. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Yes on Cabusi. 36-44.
7 minutes.
7 minutes 40. Intercepted by Ricanon. Pass to La Figuera. Rebound lagi by Ricanon. La Figuera now. Dumiretso. Yes on La Figuera.
Time out.
Time out. Tropang Hamog. Score 38-40.
Hindi na nagkakaroon ng triple.
Espilua now dribbling the ball. Espilua now naghahanap ng mapapasahan.
14 to
Aras by Raquel 14 to shoot. Back to Espilua, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. But there's a turnover. Tumama po sa tuhod. Bola po ng Emirates.
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Cabusi. Back to La Figuera. La Figuera now. To Ricanon. La Figuera. To Cabusi.
14 to shoot.
Cabusi 14 to shoot. Yes on Cabusi. 40-44. 4-point lead by Tropang Hamog. Natividad. Bautista, sorry.
Wag ka
So Espilua. Espilua now to Ramos. Ramos long two. No good.
Same
This
ball.
Taplas, same ball.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
6 minutes. 10 seconds.
6 minutes. 10 seconds.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. No good.
Huwag yung good na. Napigil.
Rebound ka boss eh. Lapigira.
Out lang.
Lapigira. Yes! On Lapigira.
44-42.
44-42.
2-point lead.
2-point lead now on Trupang Hamog.
5 minutes 50.
5 minutes and 50. In the third quarter.
Dalawa.
Spilwa. Now to Bautista. 14 to shoot. Spilwa for 3. No good. Now big rebound ng Kabusi. Kabusi nagmamadali. Pass to Lapigira. There's a fake. There's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul on Bautista.
Bautista second.
Second personal foul on Bautista. Second team foul on Trupang Hamog. Lapigira now is awarded for 2 charity throw. First throw, no good.
Huwag nga, no good. Tanggalin mo yung no good mo.
Okay.
Short.
Second throw.
In and out.
Short.
In and out.
In and out. Rebound by Natividad.
5 minutes 20.
5 minutes and 20. Ramos.
Guarded by 2.
Guarded by 2. There's a whistle.
Foul number 12.
Foul number 12.
First personal foul.
First personal foul on Regalon. First team foul, Emirates. 5 minutes.
40 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Spillover.
Spilwa for 3. Short. Rebound on Natividad. There's a whistle.
Foul on.
Foul.
Substitution.
Substitution rep.
Jag out.
Jog out. In Mr. Sol. Natividad now is awarded for 2 charity throw.
Basket shop.
Basket substitution tayo rep ha? Short. By Natividad. That's true.
Wala na yung momentum nila.
No good again. Big rebound on Kabusi. Kabusi na may dala ng bola. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Diretso. Yes!
40 for all.
First deadlock of the game. 54 all. 44, sorry.
Huwag nga mag-sorry.
Back to Sol.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Block by Kabusi.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
Release na.
Narilit.
Rep. Tingin kayo. Dalawa. Rep. Tingin ka doon. Four minutes.
4 minutes. Yes. On Ramos.
6:44. Yes.
44-46.
2-point lead. By
2-point lead by Trupang Hamog.
Balik-balik.
Lapigira. Lapigira thinking 3. Pass to Diaz. Diaz to Kabusi. Back to Diaz.
Lara.
Back to Lara. Lara, yes, for 2. The second deadlock of the game. 46 all. 3 minutes and 30. Bautista for 3. Shot. Rebound on Diaz. Diaz now to Kabusi. Kabusi long pass to Lapigira. Lapigira now. Haras by Espiliwa. Diretso, yes. On Lapigira. 48-46. Now change people.
2-point lead now, Emirates.
2-point line now in Emirates.
3 minutes 10
3 minutes 10 seconds in the third quarter.
Third quarter.
Espiliwa. Big rebound on Ramos. Sol.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Back to Ramos. Nice rebound in Espiliwa. Third deadlock of the game. 48 all. Kabusi now. Kabusi now controlling the ball. Pass to Lapigira. Lapigira now. Fake and fires. No good. The big rebound again by Lapigira. Sa ilalim. No good rebound again. Sa whistle. Was foul, rep?
Foul on Sol.
Foul on Sol. First personal foul on Sol. Third team foul on Trupang Hamog.
Score.
Score 48 all. Lapigira first through, yes. 1 point lead now on Emirates.
Time.
Time 2 and 22.
50. Focus.
2 point lead now. Change favor on Emirates. Bautista look
Lapit nyo.
on Natividad.
50 all.
50 all. Diaz. There's a foul. Substitution rep.
Warning. Warning po pala.
Warning for penalty. Tropa ang hamog.
1 minute 58 seconds.
Bautista third personal foul.
Bautista third personal foul. 1 and 57 seconds. Kabusi.
Lapit mo.
Tulara. No good. Big rebound on Sol. Sol, may dala ng bola.
1 minute
Citation
40
po.
seconds.
1 minute 40 seconds. Emirates ball.
50 all.
Our score 50 all. Kabusi now to Diaz. Diaz sa ilalim. There's a foul.
Foul on Kabusi.
Foul on Kabusi.
13 foul Emirates.
13 foul Emirates. First on Kabusi.
1 minute 25 seconds.
1 minute 25 seconds in the third quarter. Score 50 all. Ispilwa. May dala ng bola. Lumpas to Ramos. Ramos now taking two. No good. Big rebound on Natividad. Shot. Sol. No good.
Lara.
Lara now big rebound. Lara tuloy-tuloy na pass. Pass to Riganon, but there's a
Sab.
substitution trap.
57 seconds.
57 seconds. 50 all. Di ganun. Pass to Diaz. 50 seconds.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Kabuse. Back to Diaz. Intercepted by Sol. Along pass to Razo. Razo cannot control the ball. Turnover.
35 seconds.
35 seconds. Lampigira now.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Lampigira to. Now rebound by Mr. Son.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Ramos. No good. Big rebound on Kabusi. Kabusi now tuloy-tuloy. In and out. Lampigira. Big rebound again by Kabusi. Short. Big rebound.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Basket count.
On Espelao.
Third sa inyo, Emirates.
Change. So, oras.
Presura, hold! Depensa lo, depensa!
Dalawa.
Spelwa.
Tumpo ka.
To Natividad. Bautista to Natividad.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Espelao.
Spelwa along 3. In and out. Rebound in Lapigira. Lapigira now to Camus. Camus step back for 3. Back to Lapigira for 3. Short. Big rebound in Spelwa. Spelwa now. Pass to Natividad.
Ito ang microphone.
There's a whistle.
Ay, pala yung microphone.
Number 15, foul.
Foul on 15.
Foul number 15. Diaz. First team foul on Emirates.
Rep! Kunin mo bola.
Score 50-53 in favor of Trupang Hamog.
Uy, microphone. Lapit sa'yo. Sabay mo microphone.
Spilwa.
14
Spilwa now, 14 to shoot. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Big rebound on Diaz. Lapigira. Lapigira. No good. Big rebound on Camos. Short. Actividad now. Dribbling the ball.
8 minutes 40.
8 minutes and 40 to Jag.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Jag to Bautista. Intercepted by Camos. Camos now nagmamadali. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Yes for 2.
On Javier.
On Javier. 52 against 53. 1 point lead on Tropang Hamog.
8 minutes 20.
8 minutes and 20 in ang fourth and final quarter.
Spilo to Bautista.
Espiliwa to Bautista, back to Espiliwa. Espiliwa long two, short. Rebound on Diaz. Diaz now to Camus.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Figuera.
To is La Figuera, back to Camus. 14 to shoot. Diaz. Diaz now, diretso. Yes.
1 point lead na.
1 point lead now on Emirates. 54 against 53. Natividad. Pass to Bautista. There's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Simbaco.
Simbaco third personal foul.
Simbaco third personal foul. Second team foul on Emirates.
Score.
Bautista is awarded for 2 charity through.
Score.
Score 54 against 53. Yes.
For all.
54 all. Second through. Yes again. Now change favor. 55 against 54. In favor of True Panghamog.
Figuera.
Now La Figuera. La Figuera now. Naghahanap ng mapapasaan. 14 to shoot. La Figuera. Diretso. In and out. Rebound on Javier. Javier. Diretso. On Diaz. Fake and fires. Yes on Diaz. 56 against 55. Change favor. Spelwa. Nakuha ngayon ni Natividad. Natividad to Spelwa. 14 to shoot. Long two. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz now. Diaz may dala ng bola. There's a whistle.
Sports na foul.
And sportsman light foul on Ramos. Technical. Timeout. Drop.
Score.
Score 56-55.
1 point lead.
1 point lead on Emirates. Sir, labas mo na. Technical foul. First through. No good. And no good in and out again. Ball position po ng Emirates. Still our score. 56 against 55. 1 point lead on Emirates. Taco inbound to La Figuera for 3. Short. Rebound. Agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Spilwa. Spilwa down. Pass to Ramos. Short by Ramos. Big rebound ng Taco. Now Diaz. Diaz now. Diretso. A big rebound again. By La Figuera. La Figuera. Long two. Big rebound down to Ramos. Ramos now. Natividad. Natividad. Intercepted by Lara. Lara to Kako. No. Now Spilwa. Spilwa now. 3 on 1. 3 on 4 back. Pass to Natividad. Yes to Natividad. 57-56. Change favor. 5 minutes and 40 in a fourth and final quarter. La Figuera now.
40 to shoot.
40 to shoot.
Sub.
Substitution run. Inbound by Tropang Hamog to Spilwa.
5 minutes 20.
5 minutes and 20. Spilwa. Looking now. 14 to shoot. Bautista.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Jag long two. Rebounded Bautista.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Yes.
No score.
On Bautista. 59 against 56. 3-point lead on Emirates. Diaz. Yes for 2 on Diaz. 58-59. 1-point lead.
On.
4 minutes and 30. Tropang Hamog. 1-point lead. Bautista.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Spilwa for 3. Yes! Bang, bang, bang!
52, 58, 62, 58. 62.
62 against 50.
Kabusi.
Kabuse! Big rebound on Bautista.
4 minutes.
Pass to Ramos. 4 minutes.
Ramos na tip.
Natividad sa ilalim. Big rebound on Ramos. Ramos long two. Kabuse now. Lapiguera. Lapiguera dire-diretso. Yes on Lapiguera. 60 against 62. 2 minutes. 2-point lead on Tropang Hamog.
46.
3 and 40. Short. Spinoa. No good. Rebound on Lara. Lara to Lapiguera. Yes on Lapiguera. Now again another lockout again. 62 all.
3 minutes 20 seconds.
3 minutes and 20 in a 4 and final quarter.
Pista.
Bautista. Bautista now to Ispilwa.
14 to shoot.
Aras by Taco 14 to shoot. Bautista, pass to Ramos. Ramos, no good. Rebound. O Natividad. Natividad sa ilalim.
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
10 to shoots.
Shoots. Shoots.
On Ramos. To Natividad.
5.
5. 4. 3
3 seconds violation.
seconds violation. Turnover now by Tropang Hamog.
2 minutes 48 seconds.
2 minutes and 48
Seconds. 3 more seconds.
seconds in the fourth quarter. Score 62 all. Diaz now. May dala ng bola. Diaz now. Along 3. No good. A big rebound is Spilwa. Spilwa to Bautista. Bautista now. Bautista. Tuloy-tuloy pass to Natividad. Turnover.
Yung ball.
Same ball.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Bautista inbounding. Pass to Spilwa for 3. Short. Now Lara rebound the ball. Lara diretso. Intercepted by Jag. Jag now. Intercepted again by Lapiguera. Back again to Jag to Natividad. There's a foul.
Diaz.
Host foul rep. Diaz.
Time out. Time out.
Timeout! It's awarded for 2 charity true.
Yung sapatos nila, magkano yung ganyan na tulad? Nasa 500 yan. Ayun ang gusto ni Andre eh.
Natividad, first throw. Yes! 63-62. 1-point lead now.
Shooter. Shooter.
Yes again for 2. Up for 1. 64-62. 1 minute and 45.
Zero pa kami o? Zero pa.
Kabuse! Rebound now Natividad. Natividad to Bautista. Bautista to Ispilwa. To Ramos. Ramos back to Bautista. 14 to shoot. Bautista aras by Riganon. Bautista dire-diretso. Turnover by Tropang Hamog.
1 minute 20 seconds.
1 minute and 20 seconds in the fourth quarter. Lapiguera to Kabuse. Kabuse now, pass to Diaz. Turnover again by Emirates.
1 minute 14.
1 minute and 14. Spilwa. 64-62. 2-point lead on Tropang Hamog. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Diaz. 55. Lapiguera. Lapiguera. Yes on Lapiguera.
50 seconds.
49 seconds. 64 all. Spilwa.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Spilwa. Aras by Lapiguera. Spilwa to Natividad. So whistle. Was foul rep. Number 22, Kabuse.
Warning for penalty. Warning.
Warning for penalty. Emirates.
Second personal
35 seconds.
Second personal foul on Kabuse.
Warning.
Warning for penalty.
14 seconds rest clock.
14 second shot clock. 64 all. Bautista. Bautista now to Spilwa. Spilwa haras by 10 to shoot. Bautista for 3. Short. Rebound ng Lapigira. Back to Cabose. Yes on Cabose. Time out. Tropang hamog.
Kaya 14. 14.
40 seconds.
20. 20 tayo, 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. And a fourth and a final quarter. Bautista to Spilwa. Spilwa now to Jag. Jag back to Bautista. Spilwa for 3. No good.
11 seconds.
Turnover. 11 seconds. Emirates ball. 11 seconds. Lara inbound to Cabuse. Cabuse now. Long pass to Diaz. Turnover.
8 seconds.
8 seconds. 8 seconds remaining time. 66-64.
Ito mo, ready mo. Ito ready mo.
5.